body. She don't wanna roll it, I don't mind it. Yo, what's good, YouTube? How everyone doing? Just got out of class. Now I'm going to the gym to get a good ass workout. Hope everyone having a great Tuesday. But that's the only day of the week that I have school. What's good? What's good? Whew. Oh man, it didn't even feel like a break. Like, what was it? Spring break? Coming out of spring break to go back to school for one day, and I'm going to the gym. But yeah, I hope everyone's doing great. Hope everyone's having a great week. Had a great weekend. Do anybody watch WWE? It was WrestleMania weekend. That shit was crazy. Like, John Cena actually beat Cody for the championship. And then the Raw after Mania, that shit was crazy, yo. Like, fucking Randy and RKO Cena. That was wild. What the fuck? But yeah, I'm about to go to the gym, get a bomb ass workout. I'm gonna let that go. And then I'm gonna go. But yeah, yo, like, oh man, I just have so much energy inside me. I gotta let this shit go. And that's exactly why I'm going to the gym, to burn this shit out. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay there. Maybe for like a good hour, and then I'm gonna go home. Hopefully there's good parking, because it's gonna be in the city. Like, this is literally 12 minutes from my school, meaning I'm still gonna be in the city. I ain't going nowhere. Like, my school, yo, my school is literally right there, yo. What the fuck? Yeah, amazing school. The thing is, I wasn't even planning to go to the gym today. I was just planning to come to school, go home, maybe stream, make a YouTube video on like a gaming or something, and then just chill for the rest of the night. But now my ass is out here doing a POV drive after school, going to the gym. And I mean, why not? Why not? That's why I got a GoPro for, right? You see my book bag there? It's still open. Good thing I packed my GoPro with me before I left, because I was like, you know, if I'm gonna be out here, then bring my GoPro. And I got used to it being on my head. Like the camera is blocking my, it's like between my eyes. I don't really notice it anymore. Like, the more you do these type of videos, you just get used to it. It's like not even bothering me no more. Everyone's outside working out, but I am not doing that. I'd rather go to the gym and work out. I mean, I could, but what's the point of having a gym membership if I'm not gonna work out in the gym? You know what I'm saying? And I feel like that's where I experienced like the most change, by being in the gym. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going to the gym. Never stop, don't stop, can't stop. It was a gig walk. I don't know, but I don't know if I've been to this gym before. I do. Lucky thing, I got the membership that allows me to go to different gym locations, but in this location that I'm heading to, I don't know if I went there before. We about to see. I've been to 1, 2, 3, 4 different gym locations so far. I missed my fucking turn. I was just counting the shit, but that should be fine, right? I don't gotta take no fucking tunnel, right? Because being in the city, you miss a fucking turn, your ass end up on the tunnel. Ain't no one behind me. I'll let him go too. Ain't no one can tell me shit. But yeah, you miss a fucking turn in the city, your ass gonna end up on the tunnel. It didn't happen to me. Definitely did not happen to me. Definitely, yeah, most definitely did not happen. Fuck it, yes it did. It happened to me today when I was going to school. And the worst part about it, I really had to fucking pee, yo. I really had to fucking pee. So here I am, looking for a park. Made a wrong turn, my ass is on the tunnel. So what could have been like a 3-minute drive turned into a fucking 20-minute drive. Just because I made the wrong turn. It's really annoying, I'm not gonna lie. That's the only part I hate about being in the city, but what can I say? What can I say? It is what it is. So all I know, I better not miss this next turn or else I'm cooked, yo. And I ain't trying to deal with that. I ain't trying to deal with that bullshit. I ain't trying to deal with that bullshit. I think my turn's right here, right? Yeah, most definitely. Oh yeah, that's my turn, right? Yeah, that's my turn. Alright, go here, right? Yeah. Hopefully I get like a good park. That's the thing about the city. Parking is like non-existent. You gotta get really lucky, like extremely lucky to get a good park. Other than that, you're cooked. I'm gonna come right here because my turn is coming up. I'm excited to be in the gym, not gonna lie. Let's hope I'm able to make this turn and not. Yeah, I'm good. What is this thing doing? Oh, it's parking. He's trying to park, but I don't think that's gonna work. Maybe. But yeah, I'm 4 minutes from the gym. Quick little POV I'm gonna do for you guys. Hey, quick little POV, and then I'm gonna go home after. I don't know if I'm gonna do a POV going home though. I might be too tired and sweaty. I just wanna chill out, listen to music, and let's go home. I did make a POV going to the gym, I think like last week, because I hit 50 subs. I wanted to thank you guys. But then the whole thing just got messed up. But I still appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. And let's keep it going. So yeah, this is basically me making up for that video that got messed up. I was gonna put that out there where, like, you know, it's not gonna be my finest POV. So I'm like, you know, I'm not gonna put it out there. If I'm not gonna like it, I don't want it to be put up. I'm sure y'all wouldn't mind, but I mind. I want to put out the best, you know, the best possible video out there. All right, we almost at the gym. Let me find a park though. I'm gonna get up there and see if I can find a park somewhere. Hopefully I get lucky. hope this video is coming on good. It look like it is. Look at it. Yeah, it look like it is. And the weather is so nice. It's 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Really good weather. Very thankful. I'm glad the weather is changing. Oh shit, I need to. Okay, the gym's right there. Okay, I'm gonna find a park. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Quick little POV. Not gonna make a super long video. Hope you guys have a wonderful evening, wonderful rest of the day. Peace.